When we are born, we have just two things with us: time and energy. Time is finite and we don't know how much. Energy is theoretically boundless. We can have as much energy as we want. We can grow energy, we can deplete energy throughout our life compared to what we were born with. Energy is the most important thing that makes a difference to us in our personal and professional life. If you see the difference between someone who's very successful and someone who's not, everything else being the same, the big difference is the energy levels, the amount of energy they bring into everything they do. Let's look at specifically what areas of our life does energy make a big difference in. Productivity and performance. Energy levels directly impact our ability to be productive and perform effectively in various tasks and responsibilities. High energy levels translate into improved focus, concentration, and efficiency, allowing us to accomplish more in less time and with greater quality. Resilience and adaptability. Maintaining optimum levels fosters resilience and adaptability, enabling us to navigate through obstacles, setbacks, and uncertainties with confidence and determination. Energy reserves provide the stamina and mental fortitude needed to persevere in the face of challenges and achieve success. Creativity and innovation. Energy stimulates creativity and innovation by fostering curiosity, exploration, out of the box thinking. When our energy levels are high, we are most likely to approach problems with different perspectives, generate novel ideas, and explore unconventional solutions to complex problems, driving progress and innovation in personal and professional matters. Effective communication and collaboration. Energy influences our ability to communicate effectively, build relationships, and collaborate with others. High energy levels enhance our interpersonal skills, enabling us to engage authentically, inspire trust, and foster meaningful connections with colleagues, clients, collaborators, facilitating collaborative and collective success. Leadership and influence. Energy is a key attribute of effective leadership. Leaders with high energy levels exude enthusiasm, confidence, and charisma, inspiring and motivating others to excel and achieve shared goals. By leading with example and radiating positive energy, leaders can cultivate a culture of excellence, innovation, and collaboration within their teams and organizations. Just have a look at some of the top leaders globally: business leaders, political leaders, leaders in movies. All of them you will see exude a dynamism that actually reflects the energy that they have within. Energy is vital for leaders. Health and well-being. Personal and professional success is inherently linked to health and well-being. Maintaining optimal energy levels require attention to physical, mental, and emotional health through regular exercise, diet, adequate rest, stress management, and self-care. By prioritizing health and wellness, individuals can sustain high energy. The level of energy that you possess, how do you harness that energy? How do you prevent depletion of energy through negativity and spending time with negative people? Will make a huge difference of how successful is your personal and professional life. In part 2, in the next video, we will talk about how do we keep harnessing our energy, how do we optimize it, and make sure that this is sustainable throughout our life till our time runs out. Talk to you soon. Till then, stay unstoppable and full of energy.